Okay, so the next test after 3.5a is your 3.5b. Okay, same exercise, and then the question is a different one. So this will cover question B. Okay, question B 2,3 is on textbook page 65 you'll find. Okay, let's start here. B2. Before that, let us just keep in mind what the basic thing we are doing here is here. Number one, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then we know it has a unique solution. Then if second one, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, and we know it has no solution. So there are three conditions, as we said in the beginning, that we have to keep in our mind as we do this exercise. So if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then it has got infinite number of solutions or infinite solutions. So let's keep that in our mind. Okay, so B2 subheading 1, let us do that first. Page 65 of your textbook. For which values of A and B does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? So we're going to have to use this one, infinite condition. So here, okay, in this exercise I've been saying repeatedly, but this is important. First equation here, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So we make sure that x term is in first place, y term in second place, and C1 on the right or left is fine. But once we decide C1 is on left or right, then the second one should follow the first one for C2 position. So here, next one is A minus B into x. So this is x term. A minus B into x is this x term. First position, so it's matching. Then A plus B bracket means into here y. So this is the y term, y, 3y. A plus B into y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So in this one has no x or y, so this is C2. C1 is plus 7 and C2 is 3a plus b minus 2. The whole thing is C2. So C1 plus 7 on right side, C2 which is 3a plus b minus 2 is also on the right side, so that's fine. Both on the right, one on left, one on right will cause problem, okay, in solving. So question 2. So since question is saying, since according to the condition of question, the pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions is given in the question itself, that these two equations means this pair of linear equations have infinite number of solutions. Therefore we have to use condition number 3, which is infinite solution, this one. So let us write down A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Why? Because the question is saying it has infinite number of solutions, and we know the condition for infinite number of solutions is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So we took that condition. Then A1 and 2 are the coefficients of x's in question 1 and 2. So coefficient of x means whatever is in front. So here a1 is 2, then a2 is the coefficient of x in second equation. So whatever is in front of x, a minus b is the a2. Then coefficients of y are called the b1 and b2. So in front of y plus 3 is b1. b2 is a plus b in front of y, a plus b. Then c1 is on the right side plus 7. And c2 is here. This term, the whole thing, the whole expression which does not contain any x or y is called c1 and c2. So c2 here is 3a plus b minus 2. So we have got here first part, second and third parts. So let us just start taking the first and third parts and see what we can get out of this. If you would like to write, then it's okay if you don't write also. They are asking for a and b, so we'll have to first take the first and third part and see whether we can get any of these two values, a and b. Let us see. So the first part is 2 by a minus b. A minus b, yes. Okay, the a minus b. And here is 3 by a plus b. Let's try to simplify this. That implies, let us cross multiply. That means cross multiply means left hand, the upper side will multiply the right hand, the lower side. Okay, so plus into plus, plus 2 into a is 2a. That way we'll remove this bracket. There's no sign plus, so plus into plus is plus. 2 into b is 2b. That's called cross multiplication of an equation. Okay, up and down. After you multiply up and down, put equal sign. Right up, left down. This time right, left up, right down. No, this time right up, left down. Okay, or down up also you can do. 3 1 a's are 3 into a is 3a. No sign, so plus 3, so plus into minus, minus, and 3 into b is 3b. Like that, when you multiply outside and the insides, the bracket gets removed. Okay, now let us continue to do this one. That implies, now let us bring all the a terms on one side and b terms on one side. This one a, so let's just write here 2a. Okay, 2a. Go a little bit this side. 2a, same thing, no shifting. Then this term also contains a, so let us shift this side. No sign means plus 3a will go left side, means from right side to left side means sign will change, minus 3b. After that, put equal sign. Let this be in its own place, minus 3b. Then the b1, bring it to the same side with 3b there, minus 3b. So plus 2b shifted to right side, minus 2b. What we're trying to do is we're trying to, sorry, here 2a, and when you shift this plus 3a from right to left, you're getting minus 3a, not 3b. This one here, 3a. Then minus 3b here, and plus 2b shifted right side become minus 2b. Then plus 2 minus 3 means bigger absolute value minus 3. No sign in front of 2 means plus, so minus plus is subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1. Bigger number 3 has minus sign, so here also minus. So 2a minus 3a is minus 1a, which we need not write the 1. Okay, minus and minus means we add, so minus 3b minus 2b is minus 5b. Minus 3 minus 2, both minus means we add 3 plus 2, 5. Both minus, and when we add, the sign is minus, so here minus 5. So now minus and minus can cancel. Once we're simplified, we can cancel out the signs. Here we can't cancel because we haven't yet simplified. Okay, so you're going to get a value is equal to 5b. First answer. Yes, that's correct. A value is equal to 5b. Let us put this one. It's not yet a in terms of b only, equation 1. Then let us take here, taking the second, continue from here. Okay, I need space, so I'm going to second and third parts. So after you finish this, you write here this one, taking second and third parts. First we took first and third, now second and third. So 3 by a plus b is equal to 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2, as you can see here. And next, let us cross multiply again, up and down. So 3 3s are 9a, plus into plus, plus 3 into b is 3b, plus into minus is minus, 3 2s are 6. After you complete it, then you put equal sign. Up and down, right up, left down. Now right, left up, right down. So now right up, left down. Plus into plus, plus 7 into a is 7a. Then no sign, plus into plus again. Plus 7 into b is 7b. That way the bracket is removed. Okay, so like we did for first and third part, let's just simplify it. Bring the a terms on one side, so 9a. Okay, bring a and b, everything this side. 9a plus 3b, then plus 7a, bring this to the left side, minus 7a. Plus 7b, bring to the left side, minus 7b. Then put equal. Then shift this minus 6 to the right side. Let's take the number to the right. Let's see whether we can. That way seems to help us to simplify better. So 9a plus 9a minus 7a is plus 2a. 9 minus 7, 2. Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. Plus 3b minus 7b. Minus 7 plus 3. We can add only the like terms. b, b. These two add. a, these two can operate. Right. So these two here. So b. Minus 7b plus 3b. Minus 7 plus 3 is subtract, so 4. Bigger sign minus, so here minus. So minus 4b. So finished. Minus 7b plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3b. Done. That will be equal to, all done, so equal to 6. Then here, we got here a equal to 5b, equation 1 previously. So let's just keep that in our mind. Okay, a equal to 5b, equation number 3. Now let us put this one as equation number 4. And let us do like this, putting equation 3 in 4. Let us see. 3 is this one, a equal to 5b. Put that in 4 means this is 4. So 2 into a, 4, and a in equation 3 is 5b, so I'll replace the a by 5b. Then minus 4b, same thing, equation 4, and equal to 6. That is the meaning of putting equation 3 inside 4. That means a value 5b is going to replace this a here, 2 into a, 5b, and then this one same, 2 5s are 10b, minus 4b is equal to 6. So we're going to get 10 minus 4 is 6. Very simple. 6b equal to 6. So as we continue, b will be equal to 6 here, divided by the 6. No sign in between means into will become divided by. So divided means come down. 6 ones are 6. So we're getting b equal to 1. We consider also b equal to 1. So to find a, let's do like this. To find the a, you do now putting just now what we got. B equal to 1. Go here, put that in 3. Put that in equation 3. Because 3 is perfectly arranged to find a, you see here. So a equal to 5 into b, and b here is 1, so let's put here 1. 5 ones are 5. So therefore, the question is asking find the value of a and find the value of b. So a is just now we got 5, b here we got equal to 1. So that's our answer. Okay, so once we are through with that, let's go to the next one, b2. B, subheading 2, question number 2b, subheading 2, page 65. B2, not 2B, B2. B2, subheading 2. For which values of k will the following pairs of linear equation have no solution? So this time we're going to have to use this no solution, this condition. So let's just write down what is given to us here. 3x first term x, that's okay. Y plus y second term. C1 on right side, that's fine. Then the next one should also be C2 on the right side, because C1 is already on right. So it should be like that. I've been repeating this because it's important here. 2k into 1, 2k minus 1 into x means this is x term similar to 3x plus k minus 1 bracket into y. So this is the y term similar to plus 1y equal to the term having no x and y is on right side, everything 2k plus 1. So this is C2, this is C1. Both on right side, so that is correct. They will not cause problem for us. Now since, according to the question, the pair of linear equations have no solution, therefore we have to use the no solution here condition, this one. A1 by A2 will be equal to B1 by B2 will not be equal to C1 by C2, exactly no solution condition. Next here, that implies A1 is the coefficient, A1 and A2 are the coefficients of x, the ones in front of, just in front of x here, A1 plus 3, in front of x here, A2, 2k minus 1 is equal to B1 and B2 are the coefficients of y. So in front of y is the coefficient, no number, plus 1. In front of y is k minus 1, as you can see here. So B1 and B2, B1 and B2 plus 1, k minus 1. C1 is the one having no x and y here, this one and this one, C1 and C2. C1 plus 1, C2 is 2k plus 1, not equal to. So they're saying find the value of k. Look into your question. So not equal means you can discard this condition, because this will help us to, this first and second part will help us to get k, because here k is there. So taking first and third parts. Okay, taking first and third parts. First part, second part, third part. 3 by 2k minus 1 is first part, and first part and second part, sorry. First part and second parts. Because first and second parts are equal, so we can form an equation and find k. Here 1 by k minus 1 is the second part. First part, this one. Second part, this one. Only those two, then you will get your k. Cross multiply, 3 into k is 3k. Plus and the minus is minus. 3 ones are 3. After that equal, up and down, then equal. Then up and down or down and up to you. 1 into 2k, 2k. Minus 1 into 1, 1. Now bring the k terms on one side, 3k, just keep it there. This is no sign means plus 2k, bring it to left side, so minus 2k. After that put equal sign. Minus 1 still here, so just wait here, shift this minus 3 to right side, then become plus 3. Minus 1 is not shifted, still on right side, so still same one, minus 1. So here 3k, this one brought minus 2k on right side. Minus 3 is brought, so plus 3, and minus 1 was, which was already on right side, is still on right side, so still same sign, minus 1. Now 3k minus 2k is like 3 mangoes minus 2 mangoes, so 1 mango, which is k. 1k is k. 3 minus 1 is plus 2. So our value for k is 2. Now we have done B2 and B3. We'll do in the next class, okay.